The report and the fact that I won my polling unit, I think that's the first thing to start off with. And then also the first report that was made in the entire AMAC was a polling unit where I also won, where ADC won. And I think it's a sign of new things. It's a sign of what is anticipated. It's a sign of progress, and it's a good sign, because at the end of the day, it's about a leadership that is encompassing and inclusive. This is what I've continued to promote. So I do not want any segregation, because if at the end of the day I'm announced as chairman, I'm going to be chairman over ADC, APC, PDP, SDP, Muslims, Christian, Bagi, Igbo, Igala, TV, because at the end of the day, that's what AMAC is about. And this is what we need to remind everybody. And that orientation begins today, that we are one indivisible Nigeria, because at the end of the day, it is about our economic value, that we can go to school and come back safe, that young people can have jobs again, that our roads, our rural roads, can have lights and we can be safe, that we can represent the best of us here and represent us even in the Committee of Nations. This is what all of this is about for me, and I say congratulations to the AMAC people.
Derek.